Have you ever wondered what happens when you combine the power of AI with business ideas? Well, I decided to find out by spending $350 on a ChatGPT Business. And let me tell you, the results were not what I expected. Yes, you heard that right. I asked ChatGPT to generate a unique business concept and decided to bring it to life with a $350 investment. The question is, how far can AI-generated business ideas go in the real world? Can a suggestion from an AI transform into a profitable venture, or will it fall flat? I'm here to test the practicality and potential of an AI-inspired business idea. So, let's see what happened when I put ChatGPT's entrepreneurial skills to the test. Before we move into the details, like and subscribe if you want to be a millionaire in 2024. First of all, I posed a challenge to myself. The goal was to explore how an advanced AI like ChatGPT interprets this request and what kind of business concept it could generate. It's a test of AI's innovation and practical application in the entrepreneurial world. You might be wondering, why did I choose ChatGPT for this challenge? The answer lies in the unique capabilities of this AI model, which is known for its ability to understand context, generate creative and coherent text, and provide informative and detailed responses. I was curious to see if ChatGPT could step beyond its usual applications and venture into the business world. To use ChatGPT, I simply went to their website. Now, to generate a business idea, I asked a specific question. I'm looking for a low-cost, online business idea that can be started with a small budget. Can you suggest something innovative and in demand? The response from ChatGPT was detailed, and it suggested, one potential idea could be starting an online custom graphic design service. This business can cater to individuals and small businesses looking for affordable and personalized digital artwork, like logos, social media graphics, or personal portraits. The key is to offer quick turnaround times and competitive pricing, leveraging digital tools for efficiency. After receiving the business idea from ChatGPT, my step was to conduct market research. To do this, I asked ChatGPT, can you help me with market research for an online custom graphic design service? I need to know about demand, current trends, and the competitive landscape. ChatGPT responded with some helpful information. It outlined the increasing demand for digital design services, especially among small businesses and startups. It also highlighted the importance of understanding current design trends and provided insights into the competitive landscape, bringing out the need to differentiate my service from existing providers. Now, I needed a plan to allocate my $350 budget. I questioned ChatGPT. How should I distribute a $350 budget for starting an online graphic design business, covering website setup, marketing, and tools? ChatGPT suggested allocating around $100 for the website setup, including hosting and domain name, $150 for initial marketing efforts like social media ads and SEO, and the remaining $100 for subscribing to essential graphic design software or tools. Since I aim to make this venture affordable, I turned to ChatGPT for asking, what minimal skills are required to run an online graphic design business? The AI chatbot suggested using user-friendly tools like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or Canva, where required skills are very basic, including design principles such as color theory, layout, and typography. Then I wrote, what free or low-cost resources can I use? ChatGPT guided me by revealing, as for resources, Canva is a great start, offering a free version with numerous templates and design elements. Other free or low-cost alternatives include tools like Adobe Spark or GIMP. For stock photos, websites like Unsplash and Pexels are easily accessible to provide free high-quality images. Based on ChatGPT's response, I realized that the skill barrier was quite low for this business model. I decided to spend some time exploring Canva and other suggested tools, practicing with their templates, and watching free online tutorials to improve my design sense. For resources, I plan to primarily use Canva's free version, along with free stock photo sites and social media for marketing. With a budget plan in place, I started to build my future plans, while consulting with ChatGPT for each step. I had to set up a website for the online graphic design service. So, I opened a new chat box to ask ChatGPT, what are some key elements I should include in the layout and content of a website for an online graphic design service? ChatGPT's response was valid, and it suggested having a clean, visually appealing layout, a simple navigation menu, a portfolio section showcasing previous work, and customer testimonials. Now, I wanted to finalize the range of services to offer. I asked ChatGPT, "Can you suggest some specific graphic design services suitable for a new online business?" The response from ChatGPT included several options. We narrowed it down to logo design, social media graphics, and customized digital artwork as the primary services. To start setting up the website, I selected a website building platform called Wix. First, I visited its website and signed up for an account. The sign-up process was straightforward, requiring basic information like email and password. Within the website builder, I chose a template that aligned with ChatGPT's suggestions: clean, visually appealing, and professional. I looked for a template that already had a layout including a portfolio section and testimonials area. I customized the template to fit the brand of my new business. This involved adjusting colors, fonts, and adding my own images. For images, I used free resources like Unsplash for high-quality, royalty-free options. After ChatGPT's suggestion, I ensured the website content was clear and engaging. I added service descriptions, a bit about myself and the mission of the business, and contact information. The portfolio section was initially populated with sample designs I created using Canva. I also created a simple and intuitive navigation menu. This included tabs for Home, Services, Portfolio, About, and Contact. Meanwhile, I also purchased a domain name to help search engines like Google and Bing understand what my website is about. After reviewing it and ensuring all links and pages were working correctly, the total expenditure came to around $100. This was in line with the budget plan previously discussed with ChatGPT. Now, with $250 remaining, my next steps were to focus on marketing. I asked ChatGPT, "What are some effective ways to market a new online graphic design service with a $150 budget?" The response included several strategies, focusing on social media platforms where visuals are key, like Instagram and Pinterest. Creating targeted ads to reach potential customers interested in graphic design services. Developing SEO-friendly blog posts or articles about graphic design to attract organic traffic. Based on this recommendation, I spent $150 to set up and run targeted ads on social media platforms and started working on SEO-friendly content. I also used keywords related to graphic design services to improve search engine visibility. After this, I asked ChatGPT to help me ensure all content is accurate and links and payment systems are functional on my website. ChatGPT guided me through a detailed review, ensuring everything was in order for launch. With the marketing strategy in place and $100 reserved for future expenses, I felt prepared and excited to see the impact of my efforts in bringing the AI-generated business idea to life. Finally, it was time to execute the business plan. I launched the website, following the layout and content strategies suggested by ChatGPT. The platform was user-friendly, showcasing the services clearly with sample graphics created using Canva. After introducing the strategies developed with ChatGPT, I started my marketing campaign. This included posting on social media, leveraging SEO techniques, and running targeted ads. As orders began to come in, I used Canva to create the designs. For complex requests, I consulted ChatGPT for creative ideas and design tips, ensuring customer satisfaction with each project. After 6 days of running the business, I started seeing results. Orders were not steadily coming in, but one positive feedback from a particular client on the quality and creativity of the designs gave me some sort of motivation. However, the website attracted a decent amount of traffic, thanks to the SEO and social media marketing. ChatGPT also proved to be the most valuable resource throughout this event. From planning to execution, it provided useful insights and creative input. The $350 budget was sufficient to set up and market the business initially, mainly due to leveraging free tools and resources. There's still some space for growth. I believe investing more in marketing and expanding service offerings could further enhance my business. Hopefully, we will definitely see better results in the coming time. And that also brings us to the end of this video. From a simple ChatGPT suggested idea to a fully operational online graphic design business. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to learn a secret way to make money with ChatGPT on Amazon, then don't miss this video. If you found this video interesting and want more content like this, Drop a comment below. See you in the next one.